Match it was. I'm sure to all our viewers who are watching, if you would have witnessed last match of day three, it was a truly nail biter. What would you like to say about that match, my brother?
Yeah, we had a couple of match also we have witnessed, and that was like जिसने मिस किया वापस देखिए. Really, it was a fantastic sportsmanship from all the cricketers of Brookfield.
And that match win of that solid win of team Bam Blasters was यार ये ऐसा मैच देखने कहाँ मिलता है भाई इतना बेहतरीन मैच ट्रूली इट वाज एन एब्सोल्यूट थ्रिलर सस्पेंस था एंटरटेनमेंट था बहुत ज्यादा क्रेजी था
Okay, back in the commentary box now, and umpires are ready. We have umpire Siddesh standing, and the square leg umpire Rohit. Fielders are ready. Batsmen are ready. Are you ready?
yes let's go
3, 2, 1, game on. First ball went bit off in the air. Straight to the fielder. The fielder standing at deep. Only a single. So account open हुआ है 1 रन से. Oh, that was bit off in the air. A forward placement. Well driven indeed. That's a toss step delivery. Umpire signaling that no ball by Mr. Siddesh. And coming up the free hit ball. Up and over the fielder. Smartly played. And they are converting. Single into doubles. Excellent running. Smart running, that we call converting inquiries into sales. 1 से 2 रन. 1 से बढ़कर 1. Oh, that's good comeback. Good comeback. Vishal and Jagdeep, the opening pair, and Venkat Iyer started the proceedings already. 4 games, 6 run. That's played straight. Oh, that bit of misfield there. Rohan couldn't stop it. That will go for 4 runs. Mila hai 4. Excellent timing over the ropes. That was a really good played. That's not a shot, that's a premium project launch. 4 रन, दमदार 4. 5 गेंद 10 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Oh, that's good comeback. And it will be the end of the over. Is it? Yes. एक ओवर के बाद 10 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. क्रिस्ट. The first match in progress of day 4. Crest Digital versus Brookfield Gladiators. News from the center. Brookfield Gladiators won the toss, decided to field first. They invited Crest Digital to bat first. 1 over 10 run, Chinmay Patil will bowl the second. Oh, that's sensible batting. अच्छे से पढ़ लिया है और हल्के हाथ से ढकेल के 1 रन चुरा लिया है. Vishal and Jagdeep are looking very confident. Let's see what 10 runs given the first over. What Brookfield Gladiators, Chenmay Patil, how we will bowl his line in length in this over. Oh, that's much better and fuller and beautifully flicked down to the square leg, coming back for 2. The fielder tried to stop that, but the advantage taken by the batters to get their 2 runs. Swift call, even quicker execution. That's how you book your unit before it's sold out. 13 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. क्रेस्ट डिजिटल. Chinmay to Vishal. Trying to flick, but going down the leg side, and umpire Mr. Siddesh signaling that wide. 14 रन हो चुके हैं. अच्छी शुरुआत की है क्रेस्ट डिजिटल ने. अब देखना होगा विशाल और जगदीप. शुरुआत अच्छी है, लेकिन ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लेडियर्स देखना होगा क्या कुछ कमाल करेंगे. इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद. मौका है लॉन्ग ऑन फील्डर. बस देखते ही रह गए. दैट गॉन फॉर अ बिग वन. 6 runs. Excellent timing, very well played. That's launched like a new luxury project. It's already sold out in the air. 6 रन के लिए. 20 on the board, 1.3 crest. First 6 from Vishal's bat. That's the first big hit of the innings. Oh, good bowling. Oh, is that out? Oh, he clean bowled him. Timbered shatter, screen shattered. और यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? क्लीन बोल्ड. तो ये होता है क्रिकेट का खेल. अजब गजब खेल. कभी खुशी कभी गम. पल में तोला पल में माशा. 1.4 20 पर 1. Excellent bowling, clean bowled. The stumps are shattered. A deal cancelled before signing. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करने गए थे, एक बड़ा हिट मारा था, लेकिन अब यहां पर मिला है विकेट. Sunitha, the new batter. Let's see. Sunitha is ready to swing the bat. 1.4 20 पर 1. Oh, that's much better. Oh, she dropped it. And chance for the run out there. No. Lucky there. अच्छी टाइमिंग थी. शॉर्ट में विकेट फील्डर. एक जीवन दान मिला है सुनीता को. अब देखना होगा इस ओवर की आखिरी गेंद. पहले ओवर में 10 रन, अब तक 10 रन आए हैं. A bit of attacking fielding for Sunitha. No runs. Let's see. So first over 10 runs, second over 10 runs, 2 gone, 20 for 1. Crest Digital. 2 ओवर के बाद 20 पर 1. Absolutely a good fielding. And that is what needed to pressurize. New bowler, Pooja, will bowl to Jagdeep. जगह बनाई है, प्रॉपर एलिवेशन नहीं मिला, टाइमिंग नहीं मिला. He's got the top edge and the ball was just bit of spin at the backward region. Just a single. Let's see, interesting to watch the field settings from Brookfield Gladiators. Trying to swing across the line, completely missed it. That's in the air. Oh, what happened there? Oh, what happened there? He was just having a heading football. Oh, once again, but this time is that from the bat. Oshie off the mark with a single. बाईस पर एक 2.4. It's now time for Jagdeep. Jagdeep, let's see if he can hit for a big one. Or let's see Pooja can do something special. Bouncing down the track. Fuller one bit. Excellent bowling by Pooja. And that's what she needed. 2 runs only conceded. Coming up the last ball of the... That's a very good comeback indeed by Brookfield Gladiators. स्विंग करने गए यहाँ पर अंपायर्स यहाँ पर is at end of the over. So very good bowling from Pooja. Only 2 runs conceded. 3 ओवर के बाद 22 पर 1. And this is really good comeback. Only 3 runs. Indeed 2 runs. पहला ओवर 10 रन था, दूसरा ओवर 20 था, 3 ओवर 22. So tight fielding placement. Looks like they are safeguarding the property boundaries. 3 ओवर 22 पर 1. Crest Digital. Tejas will bowl to Sunita. Direct hit. What's the square leg umpire says? OUT. Yes. Rohit at the square leg umpire. And you can see on the big screen. That's gone. क्या बात है, direct hit. Excellent. They got run out. And a wicket fall. So we'll get only 1 run. Oh, that's very good shot. Played across the line, very well played. At mid wicket for single. That's smartly played at square leg region. Umpires. Is that referred? Okay, straight to the third man umpire. That's a very good throw from the square leg. And Brookfield Gladiators will be hoping for that wicket. (23 for 2, 3.2), and let's see now what's the third umpire will conclude. So indeed a good start there. We can see both the teams. We are here at Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 Day 4. (23 for 2) Crest. Still waiting for the confirmation from the third umpire.
All right, may I have the attention of all the players across? This is for everybody. Everybody who's acquainted with Brookfield Premier League Season 5, be it any player or any our internal staff, it's a humble request. We've got a dedicated FNB area, so please don't carry any of the edibles or beverage to the turf. It's a humble request to everybody. Thank you.
Still the confirmation is on. We'll wait for a while for us to get the confirmation. But meanwhile, I will let you know the team which is unbeatable till now. Clean Max played 2 of 2. They won both the matches in PIL in the other group. 3 matches unbeatable. Brookfield Gladiators 3 matches played, 2 win and 1 lost. And Crest Digital playing their first match of the tournament. Okay, we are on 24 for 2 after 3.3. Or still the updation is remaining. Oh, just over the fielder. Good effort. Jumping effort by the fielder at square leg to take that catch, but only 1 run. Okay, we have the updated score on the board. 3.5 28 पे 2 Crest Digital Robin and Aniruddha. The batters are batting and Tejas Sawant मात्र 4 रन दिए हैं 5 गेंदों में. इस बार जोरदार प्रहार मिड विकेट के क्षेत्र में 2 रन लेना चाहेंगे और ले लिया है 2 रन. 2 रन गॉट डिक्लेयर्ड देयर. 4 ओवर के समाप्ति के बाद क्रेस्ट डिजिटल 30 पे 2. 4 was gone is 30 for 2. 4 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 30 पे 2 क्रेस्ट डिजिटल आनंद दुबे इस बार फुलर गेंद और गुड फील्डिंग देयर एट मिड विकेट रीजन ओनली अ सिंगल इस बार उठा दिया है एंड टेकन गॉन वेंकटेश एक्सीलेंट टेकन एट लॉन्ग ऑन 10-15 मीटर की दौड़ लगानी पड़ी और उसको लपक लिया है लॉन्ग ऑन के क्षेत्र में 31 for 3 third wicket fall of Crest Digital looking to clear long on but they didn't get a distance or wicket number 3. Oh, that's good bowling. पटकी हुई गेंद इसको खेल दिया है स्क्वेयर के क्षेत्र में 1 रन मिलेगा so they're rotating the strike every ball though they lost the wicket this time hit hard स्मैश कर दिया है लेकिन सीधे फील्डर के पास 1 रन मिलेगा the score is 33 for 3 oh that's nicely flicked down towards square leg bit of misfield they were looking for 2 what happened mix up and gone तो ये होता है you can see on the big screen थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे मिसफील्ड हुई और प्रॉपरली कम बैक किया है और सीधे आउट चिन्मय इज दैट चिन्मय पाटिल विकेट कीपर यस ही मेक्स नो मिस्टेक चौथे विकेट की पतन 4.5 34 पे 4 किसकी होगी जीत किसकी होगी हार खटैक We have the new batter, Mohammad Nazim, joins the party with Aman. इस ओवर की आखिरी गेंद करेंगे आनंद और that's played nicely at square leg. Only a single. So good over from Anand Dubey. 5 रन दिए हैं और 1 विकेट लेने में कामयाब 5 ओवर के बाद 35 पे 4 क्रेस्ट डिजिटल That's a signal of batting power play. Only one fielder allowed at the boundary line. You can see that one deep fielder standing at mid-wicket region. So you need to cover mid-wicket and the cow corner. 5 over 35 पे 4 and is that Chinmay Patil? Yes. Oh, that's very good bowling. He's got the inside edge there and keeper has not stopped that and advantage taken by the batsman to take that single. रन्स बन रहे हैं रनों की रफ्तार जारी है भले विकेट खोए हैं क्रेस्ट डिजिटल ने तो ये सही क्रिकेट है looking to flick but went down the leg side Signaling wide, Mr. Siddesh. सैतीस पे 4 है स्कोर. क्या एक बड़ा लक्ष्य सेटअप. क्रेस्ट डिजिटल 50-55 देखना होगा. कनेक्ट किया है, लेकिन फील्डर के हाथ में. और एक बार वेंकटेश. गुड कैच. एक ए वेंकी. लॉन्ग ऑन में थोड़ा और पावर तो एक बड़ा हिट मिलता, लेकिन हैप्पी फेसेस. प्रथमेश इज हैप्पी, एंड व्हाई नॉट. One more catch taken there by Venkatesh. 5.2, 37 पे 5. Sandeep Verma, the new batter. Oh, that's very good bowling, but very well played also at covers. Only a single. Off the mark straight away, Sandeep. Oh, that's gone. High in the air. घुमा के खेल दिया था, लेकिन एक ही रन मिलेगा. और ये क्या हो गया, मिक्सअप हुआ है. And that is batsman is safe. Excellent fielding there. This time play towards, oh, very good stop there at Squelic. Single. 40 पे 5. इस ओवर की आखिरी गेंद करेंगे चिन्मय पाटिल. थोड़े एक्सपेंसिव रहे हैं, पर विकेट मिला है, 2 विकेट मिले हैं. That's clever, but oh, is that? क्या बात है, लपक लिया है. रॉकेट लॉन्च किया था, लेकिन प्रॉपर डाइविंग एफर्ट. व्हाट अ कैच. Excellent taken. Brilliant work. Saved square foot footage right at the boundary. ये छलांग लगा दी है, और आप देख सकते हैं ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. क्या बात है. He's not doing the fielding, he's doing the side supervision there, and a great supervision, and he's taken that. छठे विकेट की पतन. चिन्मय पाटिल completed his spell. 2 over 15 पे 3 और 6 ओवर के बाद 40 पे 6. A great work of athleticism by Divyanshu Gupta there. What a brilliant catch. What a brilliant catch. क्या बात है. 6 overs gone, 40 for 6. 6 ओवर के बाद 40 पे 6 और आखिरी ओवर पहली पारी. Is an Anand Dubey once again. In the bowling, yes. Up and over. Safe. Good throw there. Oh, bit of the collected, not properly collected by the bowler. Advantage taken for that one more run. 2 रन यहाँ पर जुड़ेंगे स्कोर बोर्ड पर. 42 पे 6. आखिरी 5 गेंद पहली पारी. So that's good running between the wickets. High in the air. Easy catch for Rohan at long off. A 1 more wicket fall. Good performance from Brookfield Gladiators on the field. And 1 more. That delivery was a perfect demolition job. 6.2, 42 पे 7. क्रेस्ट डिजिटल आखिरी 4 गेंद. with the captain Ashwani Singh joining Arun Sharma. And looking to play across the line, he's got the top edge and went backward region. No runs. आखिरी 3 गेंद 42 पे साथ. Let's see. Looking for connect. His dot is proper pura elevation मिला नहीं. Is hitting on the bottom of the bat. Last 2 balls. Skipper on strike. Coming right arm round the wicket for Ashwani. Oh, that's down the leg side for wide. He bowled really well, 1.49 for 2. Let's see. 44 for 7, last 2 balls. Again. Down the leg side for wide. Need to come back with strong. (45 for 7), last 2 balls of the first innings. इस बार off stump line के बाहर, 2 back-to-back down the leg side, and now the hat-trick wides. 46 for 7. Played smartly. Square leg region and coming up the last ball. क्या एक बड़ा हिट 50 का आंकड़ा पार कर पाएंगी क्रेस्ट डिजिटल. देखना होगा. स्ट्राइक पे है अरुण शर्मा. इस बार खेल दिया है. Good stop at the and that will yes run out for sure. And 1 run तो 48 for 8. 7 ओवर के बाद 48 for 8 and the target for Brookfield Gladiators will be 49.
May I request the captain of Cleanmax and Leap please join us, and also I would request my console team to please on the speakers which side. Check. Check. Can we on the speakers, please? Yeah, thank you. All right, moving on to the match 2 of day 4. Alright, so moving on to the next match, which is going to be between Team Cleanmax Hybrid and Team Leap Titans. On my right, we've got the captain of Team Leap Titans who are playing for the first time in the season. This is the first match for these people. And on my left, we've got the undefeated champion so far in the Season 5 of Brookfield Premier League. And with me, we've got Mr. Shiva Konar alongside, who are going to be doing the toss ceremony for this particular match. Tails is the call, and Tails it is. So congratulations, finally you people are winning the toss. And what would you like to opt for?
So we are going to bowl first. Again, we are here to play and we'll focus on our own game. And this is the first time we have been facing Leap Energy, because last year they were in some different group. So yes, we'll just focus on our game and we'll go with our own strategy. That's it.
Thank you so much and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Santanu playing for the first time in the season. How are you feeling, man?
Yeah, it's nice to feel, but what happened, first match itself we are facing big team, Cleanmax, biggest last time champion, even, yes, undefeated so far, and even present year also they are in double tapper. What happened, we have to set a good total. For them is very hard, to fix the target is very hard, because If we win a match, we supposed to fix at least 50 runs. Otherwise, 50 is par score for us. We try to post that one. We fight for that one. Yeah.
And you've got four old players along, one of the most finest bowler of last season. You've got Prem, you've got my brother who's standing there. I just missed on your name. Tirumalai and you. So you've got a couple of new players into the scenes. So what would you like to say about them?
Yeah, only we came three who are came last year, only 3% came. Because we have a multiple strength in our company, okay, so we need to give an opportunity to many person. And also another thing is that just 2 days ago only they are coming from different areas, someone from Chennai and Tirunelveli and all together, and we also in several departments, several designation. So what my advice to them is, we encourage everyone that encourage lift a chance to lift a trophy. Yes.
And now look in the camera and just shout. You can also join. It's their first match. The reason I'm doing Brookfield Premier League, we are ready to rock. Okay, okay. You have to say this. I'll be giving the microphone to you. Brookfield Premier League, we are ready to rock. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, Brookfield Premium League, ready to rock.
Ready to rock. Thank you so much. All the best, gentlemen. Thank you. So we've got a toss that happened between Clean Max Hybrid and Team Leap Titans. Clean Max Hybrid has won the toss and they've opted to bowl over the combox.
Thank you very much, Manish. So the target of 49 to chase for Brookfield Gladiators. Captain Prathamesh and Rohan and Robin started the proceedings already. Oh, bit of misfield there at mid wicket. Will they come back for two? And they will get it. Good start from Brookfield Gladiators. 4 गेंद 6 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. So both the batsmen batting on 3 of 2 balls. That's hit hard. Very good stop there. At mid-off region. Last ball of the first over, 7 for no loss. Dancing down the track, very good bowling in the block hole. The fielder standing there at cow corner, only a single. 1 over 8 run, कोई विकेट नहीं. 36 गेंदों में 41 runs needed for Brookfield Gladiators to win the first match of the day. So initially, in the first match, Brookfield Gladiators won the toss, elected to field first. They invited Crest Digital to bat, and 7 overs 48 for 8. Important what Crest Digital has maintained that run rate. They lost 8 wickets, but they got every batter's contribution was there on the scoreboard. And that's what they have maintained. A good solid total. And now Brookfield Gladiators chasing. We have Aniruddha Sharma will bowl the second over. On strike Rohan. Maybe he's coming left arm over the wicket. Or is it right arm round the wicket? Is it right arm round the wicket and being played high. So only a single. What excitement we had last 3 days. Every match went in the last over. It was all thriller, cinematic, fantastic, and dramatic. Here we go today. What will happen? Swing and a miss. Looking for big one. Looking to play across the line. Completely missed it. Good bowling from Aniruddha Sharma. We have umpire Rohit and standing at square leg we have Siddesh. 40 run 34 गेंद. इस बार जोरदार प्रहार कर दिया है। क्या 2 रन ले जाएंगे? 2 रन ले जा रहे हैं। थोड़ा डीले हुआ वहां पर फील्डिंग और 2 रन चुरा लिए है रोहन ने। A bit of misfield there and 2 runs taken by Rohan. 11 for no loss. This is much better bowling. Good comeback from Anuruddha. Went for dot ball. Let's see the opening pair. Rohan and Prathamesh started really well, but also Crest Digital, that's gone high in the air. And how many runs? They will get 1 run. So only 4 runs conceded by Anuruddha Sharma. 4 रन दिए, 1.5 12 रन इस ओवर के आखिरी गेंद। जगह बनाई है, जोरदार प्रहार फील्डर के ऊपर से। देखना होगा दूसरे निकले जाना जाएंगे, यहाँ पर खतरा हो सकता है और अंपायर यस गिवन आउट। Excellent throw there from the deep and they lost the first wicket. Great work by the fielder. 2 ओवर के बाद 13 पर 1. So 36 required from 30 balls. For the third over, Sunita comes into the attack. And we have Sunita will bowl to Pooja. Only one fielder at long on, looking to swing, but she missed it. Went for dot ball. Good start. That was a big shot by the wicketkeeper, but no contact between bat and ball. Now Rohan has some message to Pooja. 2.2 पर 1, 36 रन चाहिए 28 गेंदों में। Was looking to play for that. She missed it again. Good bowling from Sunita. Back to back 3 dot balls. Short cover, very short for the catching position. Once again, very good bowling. Sunita is giving a challenging to bowling spell to Pooja. Oh, this time. Is it out? Yes, gone. Short of the crease. One more wicket fall of Brookfield Gladiators. और 1 रन आउट के रूप में विकेट मिला है. So great fielding work, standing at short cover that saved that effort to throw the non-striker and they got a wicket. Good throw by Mohammad Nazim. 2.13 पे 2, no runs conceded. Let's see if she will get a maiden. Oh, what a bowling that is that out? Oh, oh no, that's not out. Bowled क्या हो गया? नहीं ना, कुछ नहीं. पैर पे लगा ना. Looking for big one and that's a maiden over by Sunita. क्या बात है? Can we have a round of applause for Sunita? Maiden over. कोई रन नहीं दिया है. This is the quality bowling by क्रेस्ट डिजिटल डिफेंड कर रहे हैं 3 ओवर के बाद 13 पे 2, 36 रन चाहिए 24 गेंदों में. 36 from 24 balls, 3 ओवर 13 पे 2. We have skipper Ashwani Singh comes into the attack. Now let's see the captain taking the charge in the bowling. And we have the Damdar Jordar Anand Dubey, the new batter. Left arm round the wicket, starting up and over. Played at covers point. Only a single. 23 गेंदों में 35 रन. That's a difference of 12. 2 big hits can make the equation closer. That's played fine. Big one, but as per the rule, that region only a 1 run. 15 पे 2, 3.2. And he's having a good bowling action. A bit of try to defend in this over. Let's see what Ashwani will do for the team. Tossed up delivery, but he missed it to play that. Rohan looking to play across the line and completely missed it. So last 9 balls, only 2 runs conceded. That's a quick stumping. What's umpire say? Yes. No. What happened there? It's a no ball. कहानी में twist है. क्या ये stumping? It was not from the behind the stumps, or it's like some contact was made ahead of the stumps? Yes. Umpire showing the class and professionalism. Siddesh, square leg umpire. So if you need to make a stumping, the count of contact will be the behind of the stump, not at the besides and the front. पीछे से stumping करनी होती है. And that's is that referred? Still umpire have a question. They are having a still discussion with the umpire. We have Jitendra, one of the expert. Rohit, Siddesh. Also we have Deva sir joining. Let's see. 21 balls, 33 to get. Looking to play across the line. Good bowling, good line and length. पटकी हुई गेंद. Proper time नहीं कर पाए. So Rohan Datta is rotating the strike. 11 of 14 is batting now. Anand Dubey 1 of 1. That's Fuller, a bit of slower one. Good bowling. मात्र 4 रन दिए हैं 5 गेंदों में. पिछला ओवर मिडन रहा था from Sunita. And now only 4 runs. Last 11 balls, only 4 runs. Oh, good bowling. Excellent bowling. Crest Digital, दमदार bowling performance. 4 ओवर 17 पे 2. 3 ओवर में 32 रन की दरकार है. देखना होगा किसकी सरकार है. 32 runs in 18 balls. One more quality defending over will be the pressure on Brookfield Gladiators directly. बट एक बड़ा ओवर मैच का विनिंग टिकट हो सकता है ब्रुकफील्ड ग्लैडिएटर्स को. So that's every over you need to score that 10 runs, 11 runs. So required on it is around 10.25 and the batting power play been taken. Only one fielder allowed at the boundary line. Only one fielder at the boundary line. So you need to decide which will be the one fielder at the deep. So batting power play. Let's see if they can take the advantage to get that 11 runs per over. That's played at wideish long on. That will go for 4 runs. Excellent timing, cracking shot. Milengichar. That's connected well, went over long on. And that one gone from under construction, from fully sold out. 4 run दमदार 4. इस बार उठा दिया है, हवा में गेंद आर पार किधर भेज दिया है. मिलेंगे 1 रन. और इसी की बात कर रहे थे, 11 रन प्रति ओवर, ये मिलेगा विनिंग टिकट. और पहली 2 गेंद में 5 रन आ गए हैं. They will go for more 6-7 runs. Let's see. कोशिश और चाहत ये होनी चाहिए जिंदगी में. And let's see what they're trying the level best. Anand and Rohan. Oh, that's good comeback from Robin. It's now 15 balls and 27 to get. Difference of 12 still is on. Couple of big hits they will look for. Good stop. Oh, good throw and OUT. Crest Digital. And Rohan gone. He played really well for the team. 16 of 18 balls. Or is that 16 of 17 balls? Let's see. तीसरे विकेट की पतन. बेहतरीन दमदार फील्डिंग परफॉर्मेंस ब्रूकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स. चिन्मय पाटिल, क्या ये बनेंगे मैच के सेवियर? फुलर लेंथ, जोरदार प्रहार. Oh, that's very good stop. Excellent fielding. लॉन्ग ऑन से लॉन्ग ऑफ की तरफ आया है आए फील्डर और उसको रोक दिया गया है, हॉल्ट कर दिया गया है. इट्स लाइक दैट अप्रूवल स्टॉप्ड बिफोर द पोजीशन. एंड इज दैट आउट? इज दैट आउट? यस, टॉप एज एंड गॉन. ये क्या हो रहा है? चिन्मय पाटिल जस्ट इन जस्ट आउट. और एक विकेट की पतन. ऐसे ही जाने नहीं देंगे मैच को. दोनों टीम यहां पर पूरी तरह से कोशिश कर रही है. और 5 ओवर के बाद 23 पे 4, 12 गेंदों में 26 रन. तो हम बात कर रहे थे चाहत और कोशिश होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जितना चाहोगे उतना पाओगे और कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो ठाई फेस हो जाओगे. अब देखना होगा आखिरी 2 ओवर. 26 रन और 13 रन प्रति ओवर के रफ्तार से रन बनाने हैं. 13 runs, you will get a winning ticket. 1 defending over, and yes, Ashwini Singh, the skipper once again. Left arm down the wicket, and playing on side, it's gone. Looking London, talking Tokyo. Top edge, simple catch for the wicket keeper. और एक विकेट की पतन. यहां पर विकेट की बरसात हो रही है. That's a good captaincy from Ashwini Singh. 1 more wicket fall. तेईस पे 5, 11 गेंदों में 26 की जरूरत है. थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे जगह बनाए, शफल हुए, फ्लिक कर दिया है हवा में गेंद. फील्डर ने यहाँ पे प्रयास किया मिड विकेट में उसको लपकने के लिए. 10 गेंदों में 25 रन की दरकार. शशांक और दलजीत, देखना होगा क्या इस मैच को परिवर्तन करेंगे. अच्छी bowling, but इस बार umpire signaling that wide. Mr. Rohit down the leg side. 24 रन 10 गेंद. Oh, that's much better and bit of fuller one. Swing and a miss for Shashank. और एक डॉट बॉल. 24 चाहिए 9 गेंदों में. Oh, that's clever. Excellent bowling. Timbered shattered, dreams scattered. Captain taking the charge with the bowling. Excellent bowling performance. 25 पे 6. 2 wicket. 1.4. The captain has done the job for the team. 8 गेंदों में 24 रन. Every ball 3 runs. Is that one more? What is this happening? Stumps are shattered once again. Deal cancelled before signing. Venkatesh, a new batter coming. 7 गेंद और 24 रन. 3 wickets for skipper Ashwini. क्या बात है? He's on a hat trick. He's on a hat trick and oh. यहाँ पर 2 रन लिए. खतरा हो सकता है लेकिन दौड़ लगाई है. इधर दौड़ है उधर दौड़ है. जीना यारो दौड़ है. कोई आगे है अब कौन पीछे है. बस भागम भाग ही दौड़ है. 6 ओवर के बाद 27 पे 7. 6 गेंदों में चाहिए 22 रन. 22 from 6 balls. And we are witnessing one more nail biting. Every match is going at the final ball, and that is a strategy of every cricketer out here. अब सारे गेंद को आर पार भेजना है, स्ट्रेट भेजना है. 6 गेंदों में 22 रन की जरूरत है. अरुण शर्मा, द न्यू बॉलिंग अटैक. लॉन्च करने गए लेकिन डॉक्यूमेंट साइन नहीं हुआ. डॉट बॉल. 5 गेंद 22 रन की दरकार. That was a big shout straight to the umpire, but one more, yet another dot ball from Arun. 4 गेंद और 22 रन. 4 बॉल 4 6 या 3 6 और 1 4. Down the track but inside edge. तो ये मैच तो क्रेस्ट डिजिटल के नाम है. अब ओनली लीगल फेयर 3 डिलीवरीज. Kaptan and Sunita, the key success to get a defending of this target of 49. Free hit coming up, that was a no ball. Aupcharikta. That's gone high in the air. It was a no ball. It's a no ball. And free hit, and इसमें मिलेंगे 2 रन. अब मात्र औपचारिकता बची है. 18 रन की जरूरत है. 2 गेंद है बाकी. पटकी हुई गेंद उठा दिया है और इसी के साथ और एक विकेट. अरुण शर्मा also strikes. Robin to अरे यार ये क्या हो गया. अरे क्या हो गया. Excellent bowling. Only 4 runs and 1 wicket. Last ball coming up here of the match. The first match. Oh, going outside the off-stump line for wide. Excellent bowling performance. This time gone high in the air. That will be only counted as how many runs? Let's see. They're going for 2. Is that 2 runs taken? And with that, to conclude this match, Crest, how many runs taken last ball? So that's a victory for the first match. Crest Digital won. Excellent defending bowling performance. They won by 13 runs. 48 for 8. You can see on the big screen. 7 over 48 for 8 and a 35 for 8. That's 13-run victory for Team Crest Digital. And over to the representation party, Manish.